For question 3, we are given the file size of 8,000 kilobytes with the packet size being about 1,000 packets, round trip time being about 50 milliseconds, and initial handshaking be 2 times that, so about 0.1 seconds or 100 milliseconds. For the first question, I went through and found the bandwidth which we are given at about 5,000, because it's 5 megabytes per second, and that first equals on my paper with the work that I've done to be, let's say paper, on my PDF, it shows 8 divided by that creates the 0.0016 milliseconds. And then with 1,000 packets, averages out to about 1.6 seconds, and plus the handshake of 0.1, it equals about 1.7. For number 2, same sort of math, except this time is using 1.5 megabytes per second, and waiting time per packet being about 0.05 seconds. So this enables each time to be added up on top of the packets. The 1,000 packets adds up to about 55.31 seconds after being multiplied. And then plus the initial handshaking, 55.4 seconds. Third part, we are using packets per 20 packets per round trip, and the number of round trips being 1,000 divided by that 20, about 50. Total time between the transmission of 0.05 times that from the milliseconds we are given, 2.55 or just about 2.5 seconds. Plus the handshaking is about 2.6 or 2.65 seconds if getting exact. Sorry, the last part should be about going from infinite bandwidth with exponential growth on each time. First one being 1 packet, then 3, then 7, then 15, and 31 as it keeps going increasing. Sorry, I just messed up. 1, then 2, then 4, then 8, 16, etc., as it increases exponentially. This gives us total time of about 10 times before it hits over 1,000, which is the required, with 10 being 512, and the final total number at that point being 1,023, which is over the amount that is able to get. So that would be about 10 times with the estimated 0.5, 50 milliseconds, not 0.5, gives us 0.05 seconds and equals to about 0.5 seconds total. Plus the added handshaking is about 0.6 seconds total. And that should be all of that, with the graphs being what I've written, and also on the PDF.